video?
No,
Are you?
no.
Is she taking a video? Caramel. Yeah, it was for like.
I think these are ready. Except maybe that one.
Like, girl.
These videos posted.
My mom just saves them, but it was like, girl, this one is just our private memory.
Mama, your clam is done. I did it for you. Your clam is done.
Yeah, go put it in me. Thank you.
You're getting full?
I am full.
It's okay. We got this kid. It's the whole
I'm good for now.
Oh my goodness, welcome back to Mama Jo YouTube channel. For 2 years, this is our first time to be out free. Asha. No, what I'm saying, free to go out for this month.
Free to go out, like.
I understand, but what I am saying here, like, we don't have to worry too much. Meaning, we have to adjust and live this challenging. Yeah. This is our Gubas. Yeah, this is our TD Dominion Bank. Look. Okay, that is when.
Let's walk.
Okay. There our subway. Yeah. This at our subway. All the intersection. That's our subway. TTC subway. Behind the subway, this is Hakim. Yeah. It's nice to start my YouTube channel again. This is behind. This is our subway station. Thin subway
Should we get
station.
a hot dog?
Where?
Right there. Hurry.
Hey, there's a car.
Well, no, it's not inside. No, it's the one to get. I'm the one paying attention. You're the one like this.
The sun is so bright. Look, it's beautiful. Haha.
Let's go have some hot dogs.
Sure.
Let's have a hot dog for dinner.
You okay? Okay, okay.
Let's go.
Now,
Behind you.
walk, don't walk.
What did you say, Nana? We are at
Walk, don't walk. We're at walk, don't walk. Here. This is our subway going to the countryside. Like going to New Market. See that one? Yeah. This is. We used to wait bus here before when I'm going to Kiswick. Here. This is the Viva bus. That green one is going, that is a long drive, going to different cities in Ontario, like Mississauga, Brampton. That is the bus. Yeah. A different bus, a double deck bus, which is, I used to sit down there on the top because I like to see outside. Look, this is what we have here in Ontario. That is the program here in our TTC transportation. Look, you have to go here. You don't get lost because wherever you want to go, you could just go to number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. That is what, look, we have all the numbers. So, As long as you know how to read and count the number, then you're good. Here also, this one. See? Look, that is your Cretan transit, meaning that is Biba. See, they call them Biba. That's a long bus. See? The bus here, they bring it down so that if there is some disabled people, then you can hop in, because the driver will bring the bus bring down so that it's easy for them. There you have it. See? There you go. The people have to sit down here, and they have a shade if it is raining or snow. They have the heater, so it's convenient. See, like this one. That's for the bike. People who ride a bike all the way here, you just put their bikes in there while we are waiting for their bus. That is our TTC bus, the red one. This is what we have, different color, so it's easy for us to identify which one is going to different direction, like this. Bayview. This is also where you can buy a ticket. Here. Look. Okay. See, there the bus. I mean the bike.
Should we
Yeah.
sing? The jump, and the...
See? There the police spoke. Yeah. There's our taxi. There's police. Paramedic. Look at this paramedic. So cool. See? This is Porcy. Porcy. That's my car. This is parking. People can park here and take the TTC bus. Cheaper. Okay. Take care. See you soon. This is how all the townhouses, condominium, or apartment. Look at the apartment here. So beautiful. Okay. Okay. Again, welcome back to my Amaji YouTube channel. This is the first month of spring. Folks, look at the trees. Walang dahon. Pagka spring, yun. Kakaroon yan dahon na yan. This is the old houses.
Look at our shadow.
I don't know what is it in there.
Oh, yeah.
I think those are buses or something.
I think it is like RB.
Oh.
I think that's RB. Yeah. Yeah. So this is old style houses here. Yeah. This is old money. But in the other side, because they have lots of renovation going on behind the street. So they have the infrastructure of houses is new, become big. I'll compare it to you. I'll show you why. This one. See? Look at the trees. It's leafless. But soon it's gonna be the leaf.
It looks so nice.
Are we gonna cross the street? There. Walk, don't walk. It said no standing. What I'm gonna do? We have to crawl?
That's for like cars, not skaters.
I know. I'm just joking. Look, this is our trail. We can ride a bike here.
Walk on this side. Don't walk on the opposite side. There's several here. At least, if they're gonna run, respect the rules of the sidewalk. Okay, well you're gonna get hit by a bike, and someone's gonna fall. Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
And then you're just gonna look like a. Oh look, Nai. See, I told you. Want to play around? You're gonna get hit by a bike. It's cool here.
I can ride a kid bikes here.
Kid bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could totally ride your bike here. Put the bike in the garage.
This is a different seating. Our old address.
There's a lane.
Yeah.
Your old address, there's no lane. This is big too. Yeah. The other one is like half the size.
This is our hydro. See? That's the electrical foundation. Those, what's it look like? See? Want to see you guys. Anong hitsura dito sa Canada? Pagkatapos ng winter. Ganito. Malinis. Maraming naglalakad. Fresh air. See, you have your speed. See you soon. Bye. I know God is good.